Do you want to have a fulfilling and sustainable career? Then it's time for you to maintain a work-life balance. In other words, it's time to find harmony between your professional ambitions and your personal well-being. When you balance work with time for yourself, family, and hobbies, you enhance your productivity and your happiness. So set boundaries, man, to protect your personal time. Prioritize self-care and ensure that you take time for what you love outside of work. Know, though, that balance is not perfect. It's about making choices that support both your career and your life. You see, a balanced life fosters creativity, reduces stress, and boosts overall satisfaction. So commit to finding that balance. Invest in your well-being and watch how it positively impacts both your professional success and personal joy. Strive for balance and build a life that's both successful and deeply rewarding. Keep on pushing.